Hello, teacher and classmates. My name is Marcela Vallejo. Um, the tutor Nancy Andrea Páez, Universidad Nacional Abierta y de Distancia, English Language Teaching Program, English 3. Uh, a screenshot of the random questions. Preguntas al azar, ¿listo? Entonces, ¿cuál es tu comida favorita? Entonces, what's, what is my favorite food for each and every one of us? Here we have a favorite food. My favorite food is the bandeja paisa. It is my favorite because it has Santa Rosano chorizo, pork rinds, which is the best in the whole of Colombia, and eggs, rice, and a small round arepa, which is not made in other place. Compare, accompanied with and lemonade. We prepared this delicious try at home to eat it calmness slowly and without hassle, but he also like the hamburger for my the food is very good and is meant accompanied be a good salad better and good company my family my husband my daughter when we go to Pereira we always eat bandeja paisa we love it we enjoy it a lot we feel happy to be accompanied and always enjoy the little, little things in life, like eating, having a good company. Thank you for the food that is with us today our table and we making our food more fun science everyone helps to prepare the food and other wash the dishes so everything is cleaning at home and being thankful for everything is the most important thing. Thank you for listening, teacher and classmates. Bye.